This video, we are going to simplify expressions involving exponents on integers. So the main thing to see here is the difference between, say, this will actually be a couple of our problems here. So let's go ahead and start here by saying that these are from 5.2, and they'll be like numbers 43, 45, 47, and 49. Let's look first, though, at 9 squared as opposed to 2 to the 9th. So 9 times 9, 9 squared, is 81. 2 to the 9th is 512. So you can use your calculator to help you with that if you need to. I just have many of the powers of 2 memorized. So the next problem, like I said, is -7 quantity squared versus the opposite of 7 squared. So -7 times -7 is a positive 49. If I take 7 times 7 is 49, and then take the opposite of it, that's a -49. So our order of operations, remember, which we'll do some more order of operations problems later, is PEMDAS, like this, where it's parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, division, and this negative sign is a special kind of multiplication where I'm multiplying by a -1. So it comes after the exponent, as long as that negative isn't inside a set of parentheses like this, where the entire quantity is getting raised to a power. Okay. Now let's look at -3 to the 6th, like this, as opposed to -3 raised to the 6th, like that. Now 3 to the 6th is a pretty big number. So let's go ahead here and use our calculator to help us. So I have 3 to the 6th is going to be 729. So this is going to be a -729, and this is going to be a positive 729. I know it's positive because it's an even number of negatives here. If it had been an odd number of negatives, it would have still stayed a negative. In fact, that's the next thing that we're going to do for our last problem here, is that we are going to have -8 raised to the 3rd, and then -8 raised to the 3rd, like that. So 8 to the 3rd is 512. So this is going to be a -512. But this is also going to be a -512 because it's a negative times a negative times a negative is a negative. All right, so that is it for simplifying expressions involving exponents on integers. Next time, we will come back and simplify expressions using the order of operations, which we talked about a little bit in this video already, but we'll do some more complicated problems that involve the order of operations in our next video. See you for the next video.